Hello all, in this video we are going to see Open Broadcaster Software Studio downloading and installation steps. So firstly go into Google browser, type the OBS Studio. So this first URL you can able to see, that is OBS Studio. So click on this OBS Studio. OBS Studio software, that is a free and open source software for video recording as well as for the live streaming. So I have clicked on that OBS Studio. Then here in this window we can able to see window Mac OS Linux. So according with the operating system present in your system, you can download that OBS. So I am downloading for the Windows. Then here you can see the downloading get started. That downloading is in progress. This OBS software is very useful for the video recording. With the minimal settings, we can able to record the video using the OBS Studio. So here one downloading is in a progress. So already I have downloaded this, so I can see the installation steps of that. So firstly, more details. Then this is the first step of the installation. Click on a continue. Actually I am recording this video is on OBS, so already the OBS Studio is running. So they asked me to please close it first before installing the new version. Okay, so I close this, and after the installation you install that go for the next steps. Then you can able to see this type of the icon on your system of the OBS Studio. And when you open this OBS Studio, this type of the screen you can able to see. So what are the basic settings you can able to do for the video recording? That go in the source, go in this plus add source. So for this video recording I just need two inputs. So display capture, whatever the display is there on your screen that get captured, and second is the audio input capture. So using this plus you can select the audio input capture and the display capture. There is no need any for audio mixer settings. Then here if you want to start the live streaming, you can click over here. Okay, then here the recording is running, so you can able to see here one icon, stop recording. Okay, and to start the recording you can able to start from here only. Then to set some shortcut keys for to start the recording and stop the recording, means instead of going on this start and stop recording, you can able to use some hotkeys. So I have said that start recording 1 and for the stop 1 2. Okay, so I am applied already this, then apply this and goes for the OK. So when you start your recording, just open this OBS Studio, then minimize this, and you can able to see your window which video you want to record, and just click on a 1 because we have already set this key number 1 for to start the recording. So automatically the recording get started, and that also you can able to see over here the recording is in a progress. Thank you.